Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to send back the rich responses or rich messages from the Webhook side, right? And before moving to that, request to everyone who is watching this content to subscribe to the channel. 92% of viewers are not subscribing to the channel. And if you're coming from the Google search and looking for this code, right? Don't forget to give super thanks. As always, give a like and subscribe. Okay, so quickly diving. So what I'm going to do right now is going to call the API and get the response. Okay, so let me just break it down. Okay, so this is the API from Flipkart affiliate link, right? And it gives me return of like Sony items that I have given, Sony mobiles, and it gives some images, it gives the price and all these details, right? So what I will do is I'm going to leverage this and I will show these items, right? The 5, 6 phone number phones which are coming back as a list in our Dialogflow CX. Okay, we can directly do the rich messages. I think I have covered that in one of the videos, right? But over here, what we will do is we will return it from the webhook side. Okay, I have already created the code because I don't want it to waste the time of creating creating everything from the scratch. Okay, so this is just the webhook part that I have completed. This code is already available in the what you say GitHub, and the link is in the description section of the video. Okay, so what you have to what I have done over here is I have created another uh, tag. Okay, and what I've given is the item name, which is the basically the search parameter, like what you say Sony mobile or whatever the affiliated is going on, right? So affiliated does not work for everything. Okay, so if I give anything like iPhone mobile, right? Or Nokia mobile. So it may not work because affiliate only works when there is a payment from that form, right? And if there is a no payment, let's say Nokia is not paying, so you will get zero product. But like Sony is paying Flipkart, right, for promotion, so you will get affiliate links. Okay, so that is what I want to show over there. Okay, so this is simply the code that I have copied from over here. If I go over here and go to the Node.js, so this is simply the request that I have copied. Okay, and what I'm doing is I have passed the response. So this is the response that I get, right? And I'm checking if the length is zero, right? So over here, if you see, if I call the other one, I got zero response, right? So if the product length is zero, I'm saying sorry, no item found uh, for, let's say, what is the item name that we have used? This one. Okay. And then what I'm doing is doing a rich payload. So over here, what we have used is uh, restart bot and end bot, right? So what we'll do is we will also create two end node or two what do you say, two what do you say, intent based classification, so that it can go to different direction. Okay. Uh, Over here, chip supports text, so this is the text that we will support. It's kind of a button, imagine that. Okay, and in the below else part, if there is a product return, right, what I'm doing is I'm creating the whole JSON object. Okay, so there is little bit different with respect to the objects that we create. Okay, so do note of this one, because this is not documented by them. This is I have done after many reheat and retrial how the payload should be with respect to coming back from the webhook side. Okay. What I'm doing is I've created the object like fulfillment and then message and payload and then rich content. And in the rich content, what I'm doing is I am checking for how many products has come. So right now, let's say 4 or 5 have come. We loop for 4 or 5 times, and what I'm doing is I'm creating a info, giving title, subtitle, then the image is that URL and action URL. So what I'm doing over here is I'm not handling anything in the chatbot side, I'm just opening the link into a new web page. Okay. And then again, I have given something like end and restart bot, which is similar to the above one. Okay. So this is that I have done. Now what I will do is I will create something like intent. So I will name it Flipkart order. Okay. And I will give like I like to buy red bandana. Okay. Uh, uh, I want to order Xbox, something like that. And what else? Help me to or show me uh, PS5 details. Uh, what else? I want water bottle, something like that. Okay, just giving random thing over here. Now what I will do is these items are not fixed, right? So what I will do is I will delete the system generated one, and what I will do is I will select this and search for any, because it can be any name, right? We don't know. And I will name it as the same as we have given to the webhook. So in the webhook, what we have given is something called item name. Okay. So I will give item name over here. And similarly, I will select PS5, which is also, I want to order Xbox. This is also, and red bandana. This is also. Okay. And click save. Now what I will do is I will go back to my main menu, and why it is not zoom. Okay. And what I will do is select the intent that we created, and over here we will give the response from our webhook. Okay. And the tag that we created, what was the tag name? Order Flipkart. Okay. And it will go to a page, let's name it something like handle rich input. Okay. And in that, so as it goes over here, what we'll do is we will have two routes, right? One route will be for what we are returning, restart bot, right? So let's name, do we have restart? No. So we will create a new intent, name it restart bot, give the training as restart bot, click save. Does it got edit? No, it didn't get enter. And then what is this? Person name. Restart bot can be person name. That's funny. Okay, that is one route, and another route is end bot. So we will create another intent and add training phrases, enter. End bot is GeoCity name. Marvelous work they have done. Okay, so now we have two, right? Restart bot, let's point it back to the main menu, or main menu, right? Okay, let's say main menu, and the end bot should be end of session. Uh, End session. Okay. Okay, so quickly, what we'll do is we will stop the server, start the server, and what I will do is quickly test it out over here. Hi, and how many? I like to buy red bandana. Not sure if there is any product available for this. We'll just check if it is coming over here. Yeah, red bandana as an item came. And how many items we found. It's taking ages to get response. Why so? It will fail. So there is no response coming back. Why? Just let me restart the server. Let's replay the test. And red bandana request goes over there. And one, two, three, four, five. Okay, zero item. So it returns something called there is no nothing is available. Okay, so what we will do is we will test it in the Dialogflow CX Messenger so that we can see the UI. Okay, so I will click on try it now and new session. I will say hi. So I will say I want to buy what is that? Sony mobiles. Okay. Okay. So now you can see if I go over here, Sony mobiles, we got five items. Okay. And if you can see over here, we have generated the UI based from there. I can click off any of this URL. Okay. And it shows the actual URL from where you can buy or purchase, right? Now what I will do is I will click on restart bot, not sure where it will go. I think it's going to main menu, but in the main menu we don't have any prompt, so that's why. But over here I can say I like to buy X Xbox, right? So it will understand that part because right now into we are into main menu, right? Hopefully it came over here. No, yeah, it came over here, but there's no response. There's zero. So I think for zero it is taking longer time. So what we have to do is new session, click done, go to manage, webhook types, timeout second, let's say increase to 15. Okay. We will do a test, quick test again, and let's see if this is okay. And go to integration, and so we know that the Xbox is not available. Let's try something which can have affiliated. Something like I want to buy mm, ebook. Not sure if any book will have. Oh, it is there. Okay, so you got something response back. And if I click restart bot and if I want to buy iPhone, not sure if iPhone. What is this? We got one back, but it's not returning iPhone. Okay. I say I want to buy Xbox. This is just to show when we get a zero response back from uh, this guy, right? So this is right. Side no item found. So we have covered both the scenario. Okay. So this is how we can pass the rich UI back to your Amazon, not the Amazon, sorry, Dialogflow CX Messenger or UI, right, from your webhook site. Okay, I have seen many queries in Stack Overflow how to create this response object because it's not straightforward. They have given the example, but they have given the JSON object which you can return, but creating into the payload it takes little bit of hidden trial, right? So that has been covered over here. In the next video, we will cover about how to deploy this uh, webhook to a Google GCP standard function or cloud function, right? Right now, what we are doing is I'm using ngrok to deploy. right? And this ngrok URL is given over there. Click done. And if I go over here, but what we will do now, we will deploy to the cloud function. Hopefully you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.